kiddos, today we are going to see some concepts about grammar. But before that, subscribe our channel and do press the bell button to get more such contents. Alright kids, let's imagine words are like friends who want to talk to each other. But guess what? They need to follow some rules so they can understand one another properly. Those rules are called grammar. Grammar is like the traffic light for words. When we follow the grammar rules, our sentences move smoothly, like cars that don't crash. Okay, now let me write a sentence in the board. Dog that runs fast. Does that sound right?
No!
You're right. That sounds funny because the words are in the wrong order. The dog runs fast. See? Now it makes sense. That's because we used grammar correctly. Grammar helps us put words in the right order so everyone understands what we mean. So, who can tell me what is grammar?
It's the rules for sentences.
It helps us talk right.
Perfect. You're all grammar stars today. Okay kids, now a quick recap about what we learned today. So let's remember. Grammar tells us how to use words. It helps us speak and write correctly. It makes our sentences sound right. Okay, now I want you all to write 3 sentences about your favorite toy using good grammar. Comment your answers below in the comment box and let me correct it. Do subscribe our Lula channel for more such content and press the bell button.